In a relatively short amount of time, we might become billionaires with XRP. It would be foolish to ignore such a bullish indication. Let us dissect it in detail. You are going to be speechless. I hereby defer. The ongoing conflict between the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and Ripple regarding the legal standing of XRP has continued to enthrall the cryptocurrency community and beyond. John Deaton, a lawyer and candidate for the United States Senate, has brought himself back into the SEC against Ripple conflict, defending holders of XRP in a manner that goes beyond merely providing legal assistance. According to him, Senator Elizabeth Warren made a mockery of my pro bono efforts after she had represented 75,000 XRP holders in the year 2023. To become the voice of those who have XRP tokens because the United States of America has to be a worldwide leader in innovation. His speech carries with it a mixture of advocacy and pride, advocating not only for those who own XRP but also for the acknowledgement of cryptocurrency in general in the United States. Speculation that Gensler's term may be short-lived has been amplified as a result of the extreme hostility that Gensler has voiced about the regulation of cryptocurrencies. By tweeting that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has asked an extension on filing its major brief until January 15, 2025, Jack the Rippler added gasoline to the flames. However, he also commented with confidence that Gary Gensler will be gone before the year 2025 had passed. It is possible that the future of Gensler's leadership will be decisive, should he be asked to leave. It has the ability to change the regulatory stance of the SEC, which could have an effect on Ripple's standing as well as the momentum of the appeal. Ripple was awarded a victory in July 2023 when Judge Annalisa Torres issued a finding that said programmatic sales of XRP did not violate securities regulations. This ruling was particularly noteworthy because it was a victory for Ripple. This ruling was enthusiastically hailed within the cryptocurrency community, and it became a signal of a movement toward crypto-friendly interpretations of the legislation that are already in place regarding securities. However, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), which was dissatisfied with the partial loss, submitted a civil appeal pre-argument statement on October 17. In the statement, it contested the verdict and highlighted a counterclaim about the sales of XRP by institutions. The response that Ripple provided was a cross-appeal, with the intention of addressing multiple issues raised by the SEC and protecting its programmatic sales approach. The recent donation that Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen made to Vice President Kamala Harris only served to add fuel to the fire by further escalating the debate. Chris Larsen, who was personally sued by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), has now given millions of XRP to Kamala Harris, who is the Vice President of the United States. The faith that Ripple executives have in the legal status of the company is demonstrated by the fact that they continue to operate as openly as possible and donate publicly. When seen in a broader context, the presidential election in the United States may play an unexpected role, since former President Donald Trump has pledged to remove Gensler from office. Should he be able to regain the presidency on its first day, alterations in the balance of political power may have an impact on the trajectory of XRP. A new head of the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) could be appointed by a Trump government, which could result in a more relaxed regulatory attitude on cryptocurrency. This could potentially render the SEC's appeal against Ripple null and void. For XRP, market watchers are guessing on price changes, with some forecasting a breakout over 55 cents if Trump gains in the polls. This political backdrop is causing market watchers to speculate on price moves. Nevertheless, believe me when I say that this tale is only getting started, and the stakes are extremely high. The cryptocurrency XRP is standing on the precipice of a momentous event, and analysts are predicting a meteoric rise in its value. Just imagine a growth rate of thousands of %. It is possible that this court case will be the game changer of all time, transforming regular holders of XRP into the most successful cryptocurrency investors. Maintain your presence, as you do not wish to miss the next thing that is going to happen. As the dust settles in the courts, another big narrative is making its way around XRP. This narrative is about an explosive rise that has the potential to equal one of the most astounding stock market successes that Netflix has ever experienced. In point of fact, some observers are drawing striking parallels between the current position of XRP and the path that Netflix followed many years ago, which suggests that the alternative cryptocurrency may be on the verge of an extraordinary bull run. During this time, the company experienced both severe corrections and painful plateaus. In the eyes of a Greg and a great number of XRP holders, this similarity is not merely a coincidence, rather, it is an encouraging sign. His analysis suggests that XRP is currently at a phase that is comparable to the pre-breakout stage that Netflix was in at the beginning of 2008, a period of time marked by doubt and uncertainty for the huge streaming service. A comparable breakout might bring the price of XRP toward a mind-boggling $95.70 if it follows suit and exhibits the same behavior. Recent market moves suggest that there may be a shift in momentum, despite the fact that XRP has historically underperformed, as evidenced by an early surge to almost $4 in 2018, followed by a subsequent drop to only 11 cents in 2020. The continuing lawsuit brought by the SEC unquestionably hampered the performance of XRP. Since the late year 2021, the price of the token has remained lower than $1. There is a forecast that is both mysterious and exciting, and it has investors in XRP on edge. Who or what is the source of this excitement? Beyond the happenings in the courtroom, larger market factors indicate that an alternative season is on the horizon. Additionally, the past volatility of XRP may put it in a position to be a front-runner. This long-awaited bull run might be triggered by an injection of institutional support and restored investor confidence, provided that crucial legal disputes are settled in favor of Ripple. Stay tuned to find out how the reach of XRP is about to expand throughout the entire planet. As a result, recent developments in XRP indicate that worldwide adoption is closer than many people believe, with big partnerships and strategic green lights from regulators paving the path for its implementation. Ripple and XRP have recently been given the go-light by the Dubai Financial Services Authority, as Tokenecker pointed out. This clearly validates the legality of XRP and paves the door for its adoption in one of the most advanced financial hubs in the world. It is important that Dubai has given its consent to the DFSA. Ripple's promise to simplify financial transactions on a global scale is being recognized by institutions all across the world, as indicated by this development. Good morning, crypto spread the news that the private equity behemoth Aurum Equity is going to launch the world's first combined equity and debt tokenized fund, which will be valued at $1 billion. This news added to the momentum. A simple investment in XRP is not all that this is. It's an investment in XRP, and the money will be distributed among data centers in the United States of America, the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, India, and Europe. Through the utilization of the XRP ledger for such a massive fund, Aurum highlights the scalability, security, and exceptional capacity of the ledger to accommodate tokenized assets. Through the use of blockchain technology, tokenization has the potential to unlock great value and accessibility, thereby revolutionizing the way assets are managed and exchanged. For XRP, this fund has the potential to establish it as a backbone for high-value cross-border asset transfers, which would increase the number of institutions and investors that are interested in the network. It was highlighted by CryptoHulk that partnerships with big financial players including as Visa, PayPal, and Stripe boost the potential of XRP on a worldwide scale. The fact that Ripple has partnered with these major financial institutions is evidence that XRP is being considered as a potential solution for the movement of trillions of dollars in global transactions. And the world of finance takes note whenever these well-known figures make an appearance. A cooperation of this nature has the potential to result in a snowball effect. As more businesses begin to use XRP, liquidity will improve, and the utility of the currency will increase. All of these factors have the potential to drive the price of XRP upward. With the level of demand and use cases that are now available, the concept of XRP reaching a price of $95 is not merely a thought experiment. It is a potential that has been computed based on actual adoption in the world. Because of the confluence of these variables, regulatory support, institutional backing, and collaborations with existing financial networks, XRP is not only a cryptocurrency, but it is also a real contender in the future of global finance. This is the image that emerges when these factors are taken into consideration. It is possible that the value of XRP may increase when rapid adoption occurs. Assuming its position as a fundamental currency in international transactions and tokenized assets, which will finally cause its price to rise to $95 and potentially even higher. Don't you think it's crazy? However, things are about to take an even more dramatic turn. The Ripple XRP rich list has recently been updated, and I can assure you that the numbers will blow your mind by their magnitude. This is a discussion of actual figures that shed light on the genuine magnitude of wealth that exists within the XRP community. Get yourself ready to be motivated. Given this constantly shifting environment, you might even want to reconsider your own strategy. The most recent update to the XRP rich list has generated a lot of excitement among the cryptocurrency world. This update provides investors with a fresh perspective through which they may evaluate their standing in comparison to that of their peers. One of the most influential people in the XRP field, Brett, has classified holders into separate tiers according to the amount of XRP they possess. These tiers range from shrimp, which have at least 1,000 XRP, to large whale, which has more than 500,000 XRP. In addition to being a fun social activity, this classification is more than that. It reveals how the wealth of this digital asset is distributed among its holders.